Do I need a counselor or life coach or therapist? Nah, psychiatrist. Is this your situation also? You know that you are dealing with some issues in your life and need guidance or help, but you're confused where to go. Don't worry, this was my situation also 1 year ago. Hi, this is Priyanka Verma, a life transformation coach and a certified psychological counselor. Today I'm here to explain you the minor differences between a coach, counselor, therapist, psychiatrist, consultant and trainer. So let's get started with life coach. Coaching is the art and practice of guiding a person or a group from where they are now to where they can be and want to be. Coaching is all about unlocking a person's potential to maximize their growth in their desired area. Coaching aims at transformation. Life coaching is essentially a series of powerful and intense conversations between a coach and a client, wherein a coach uses a systematic step-by-step process involving critical questioning, active listening, enabling the person to get clarity around what he or she actually wants, and then together developing an action plan to achieve it, followed by actively supporting the client in overcoming any obstacles in the way to achieve his or her goals. They also help them by teaching relevant skills, techniques, and tactics. They also help them by teaching relevant skills, techniques, and tactics. They can help you in stress management, avoid negativity, develop confidence, emotional independence, resolve marital disputes, better relationships, goal setting, positive habits, success mindset, anger management, weight loss motivation, prevent depression, mental toughness, and above all, accountability. Now we come to counselors. The term counseling and therapy are often used interchangeably. There is a very minor difference between psychotherapy and psychological counseling. Psychotherapy is more long-term than counseling and focus on a broader range of issues. The therapist is usually more qualified and experienced comparatively. They both can help you with substance abuse, post-traumatic disorders, psychosis, borderline disorders, bipolar disorders, schizophrenia, eating disorder or anxiety disorder, and also panic attacks, etc. Now we come to psychiatrist. Psychiatrist gives medication, which gives immediate symptomatic relief. But you know, the worst part it is that it comes with a lot of side effects. Severe psychological disorders are generally handled by psychiatrists. Now we come to mentor. While coach is going to start with who a person is today and then develop them from there, a mentor can provide a much broader perspective. Mentors will rely more on personal experience and network as a way to provide a point of view, but both can be used interchangeably. Coaches are professional and they are there for a purpose and will focus on that. But mentors, on the other hand, may develop a more personal relationship with the mentee. Coach keeps on measuring the performance, but mentor not necessarily does. Now we come to trainers. Trainers mainly focus on imparting external knowledge to induce some changes. They will teach you certain skills and it's up to you that you implement them or not. Now we come to consultants. You must have heard this word also. So consultants have virtually synonymous functions as counselors, although they are not similar 100%. Consultancy is the service you seek to find a solution to a specific problem which requires expert knowledge in a particular sphere. But counseling is focused on relief of distress, and they will work with you to help you cope, to adapt, or to grow or build some particular skills to get through your life. I hope I'm able to bring out my views in this video and gave you a little clarity about all of them. If you're aware of some more differences, do let me know in the comment box if I have missed some of them. So till then, take care, bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video.